Get out, you're gonna get tased, man. Hey, hands up, hands up.
Out of the car.
Hands up.
Turn around. He just threw the bag in the car.
I don't have nothing.
Stop.
Man, no, I don't.
On June 20th, 2023, just before 11:30 p.m., deputies with the Flagler County Sheriff's Office attempted to pull over a silver Infiniti for a simple traffic infraction in Palm Coast, Florida. But what started as a routine stop quickly turned into a bizarre and dangerous situation. The suspect didn't immediately stop. Instead, he continued rolling slowly down the road before finally coming to a halt. When deputies approached the vehicle, they immediately noticed something alarming.
Stop the car. Hop out, bud.
What's going on?
I'm asking you how about the car. You took forever to pull over.
Why?
Huh?
Why?
Give me a stick up.
Why?
Huh?
Why?
What do you mean why?
Man, I don't know. You talking about come out the car. For what?
Leslie, step out of the car.
You talking about
Any
step
60,
out
give me
the
a
car?
shot.
What I did, sir?
I'm telling you, Leslie, to step out of the car.
What I did, though?
I'm telling you to step out of the car.
What I did?
Leslie, step out of the car.
What I did?
Get out of the car.
But
I'm telling you to step out of the
But
car.
I'm saying, why you talking to me like that? I don't got nothing, bro.
Step out of the car.
Bro, I don't have nothing. Bro, what you doing?
Step out of the car.
Bro, I don't have nothing.
Step out of the car.
Bro, I don't have nothing, bro.
Step out of the car.
All right.
Get out of the car.
Bro, I swear, I don't got
Get out of the car.
Bro, what I got? I don't
Turn
got
around.
nothing.
Step out of the car.
All right.
Get out, you're gonna get tased, man.
Bro, I
Hey,
swear,
hands
I don't
up,
got
hands
nothing.
up.
Out of the car.
Bro,
Hands
what
up.
I got? I don't
Turn
got
around.
nothing.
He just threw the bag in the
No, I don't have nothing.
Stop.
Man, no, I don't.
Against the car.
Stop.
Against the car, you're gonna get tased. Put the hand behind your back. Hand behind your back, now.
Put your hand behind your back. Do it
This is
now.
the last thing I'm gonna ask you.
I don't have
Put
nothing.
your right hand behind your back.
All right,
I got it. If you pull away, you're gonna get tased.
all right, I'm not.
Give me the phone.
If you, hey, let go of the phone, you're gonna get tased. You pull away one more time and you're getting tased.
But what I did, sir? Man, come on, officer.
Do not move,
Quit.
man.
All right, I'm not
Look,
clinching.
hey, I'm not playing with you, man.
Man, I'm not doing
Stop
that, sir.
turning around.
Sir, I'm not doing nothing, man. Man, officer, we
You
know
know,
what
I
I
got it all in his
did.
mouth and he's
Man, I don't
chugging a
have
drink. Got a thing of crack on his lap.
nothing. Man, no, I did not, sir.
Stay facing the car.
Sir, I don't got nothing in here, sir. Man, sir, I don't have nothing.
86, we're in mail security and clear channel. We do need another unit.
But what I did, bro, I ain't do nothing. Bro, man, Sergeant Weaver's what I did, sir. Man, I ain't do
There's
nothing.
2 units.
Sir, I didn't do nothing, sir.
Can you hold him while I grab that bag?
Bro, what bag, man? I ain't, bro.
Stop, man.
Listen, I got bags all over my car, bro.
He just threw the bag on the
No, I
ground.
didn't. I don't
He's got
have nothing.
crack all over his lap.
Man, no, I don't.
Against the car.
Stop!
Against the car, you're gonna get tased.
Bro,
Put your
I
hand
don't
behind your
have
back.
nothing, bro.
Hand behind your back, now.
Put your hand behind your back. Do it
This is the
now.
last thing I'm gonna ask you.
I don't have.
Can you hold him while I grab that bag?
Bro, what bag, man?
You threw it right on the ground.
Listen, I got bags all over my car, bro. I ain't doing nothing, Officer Weaver. Bro, I don't have crack in my car, bro. I
It's
swear to
all
God.
over you.
Bro, I don't have crack on me, bro.
You don't have crack on you? What's his, bro?
Bro, that is not crack, bro.
Meth?
No, that's nothing, bro.
Right. Because you ate it all.
No, I did not.
Search him.
Bro, I
Any
don't
gloves?
have
Search
no
him good.
crack on me, bro.
Get him in a car. Yeah, you got gloves? He had it all over him and he had it all over his lap. The
Man,
bag's
no, I
ripped
did
open.
not, bro, I didn't have no drugs on me, bro.
Okay. We're going to jail because we told you to get out of the car and you didn't get out of the car.
That's what I'm going to jail for?
Yep, you're going to jail.
Man, oh my God, sir, come
Plus
on.
all the meth and all the
Bro,
stuff,
that is not
crack all over.
meth,
Okay.
Bro, I swear to God, that's not mail, bro.
All right, you're under arrest.
For what, Officer Weaver?
Because we told you to get out of the car, you didn't
But
get out of the car.
I ain't doing that, though, sir.
If we tell you to get out of the car, you get out of the car.
Oh my God, Sergeant
Which is
Weaver,
good.
please, man.
No, Leslie, that's how it works.
Man,
If we
come
tell you
on.
to get out of the car, you get out of the car.
Sergeant Weaver, please,
Nope.
sir, man.
Nope.
What I'm going to jail for?
You got a ripped open baggies
Man,
all
no,
over
I
your
didn't,
lap.
bro. I don't have no drugs on me.
I know, I'm trying to. Just
Bro,
set it
I
right
don't
there.
have
Set
no
it right
drugs
there.
on me.
I'll get it back.
Man, sorry to read. I don't have no drugs on me, sir.
Cause you ate them.
No, I did not. Bro, I did not eat no drugs, sir.
Open your mouth.
Oh
Open your
my
mouth,
God,
Leslie. Let me
man.
see. Open your mouth.
Got him for a sec.
Sir,
You
I
didn't
did
eat 'em?
not eat no drugs, sir.
Spread
Come
your legs a little
on,
bit more,
Officer
Leslie.
Weaver, please, sir.
Spread your feet,
Spread your
man.
legs a little bit more.
Sir, I did not. Bro, so I'm going to jail for what? Is this an arrest or something?
Yep.
Oh
Told you
my
to get out of the
God,
car, you didn't get out of the car.
man.
That's
Sir.
an arrestable offense.
Huh?
We told you to get out of the car. You didn't get out of the car. That's an
Bro,
arrestable offense.
Come on, Officer Weaver, please.
No,
man, I ain't
we had
do
to
nothing.
physically remove you from the vehicle.
No, you did not.
Yes,
You
we
opened
did.
my door.
Right.
Come
I
on.
told you to
Officer
get out of the
Weaver,
car.
Get back on the
man.
car, Leslie.
So I'm going to jail for resisting arrest?
Yeah.
Come on, man.
Resisting arrest and all that stuff that's scattered all over your
Bro,
car.
that's ashes and shit, bro.
It's not ashes, bro. Yeah.
Oh my God, Sergeant Weaver, bro.
He
I
had,
did not.
He had a bag ripped open
No, I did not, bro. I got bags all over my
all
car.
over his lap.
Man, I do not have no drugs on
Just
me,
get him in
sir.
the truck. Yeah.
Man, come on. Can I talk to Officer Weaver, man?
No, you gotta go, Leslie.
Why I
Come
got
on,
to go to jail, bro?
You're under arrest.
Why, man?
Just don't go. We didn't go in there yet, so. He,
What's that? Yeah, what's that?
For what, man? Come on, man. Please don't.
We
Come
go that way or you
on,
want to
Weaver,
go around?
man.
Probably go around. Is there any cars coming? I can't see.
Oh my God.
I think we're good.
Weaver, come on, sir, man. Why don't we go to jail, bro?
Hey, passenger side of the truck.
I'm going to jail for no reason, bro. Bro, what I'm going to jail for, man? Come on, man. Can I talk to my girl, bro?
Hey, truck.
Man, come on, man. What I'm going to jail for, man? Bro, I ain't doing
Get in the truck. Come on. I'm not going to do this.
Man, could you talk to me, please, sir? Please?
I don't know what's going on. I just got here.
Talk.
Okay.
Hey, homie. Can you talk to me,
You
please?
sure you didn't eat nothing? Because your
No.
mouth is about as dry as it could be
Man,
right
I did not
you
eat
got-
nothing. Bro, I
What
did
do you
not
think?
eat nothing, bro. I swear to God,
now.
bro.
Let me see your mouth.
Come
Look at
on,
me.
man.
If you didn't eat nothing, let me see your mouth.
Sir, I did
Let me
not
see
eat
it.
nothing, bro.
Listen.
Can you grab my Terminator from behind the wheel, please? The rear wheel.
Bro, I did not
Hear
eat
me out.
nothing.
Hear me out. Hear me out. You have white powder all over your
Bro,
lips.
I did not
Listen.
eat shit,
You
bro.
have powder all over your lips.
Bro, I
Okay,
did not
all
eat
right.
nothing,
Then
bro.
look at me and pick up your tongue.
Bro, I
Look at
did
me and
not
pick up your
eat
tongue.
nothing, bro.
Okay, because you did.
Man, no, I did not, sir.
Get in the car. We're not going to do this. Get in the
Bro,
car.
what I'm going to
Get in
jail
the car.
for,
Get
sir?
in the car.
Oh my God, bro. I don't have no
Still on
drugs
the smell.
on me.
Well, yeah, because you ate it. Put your
Bro, no,
feet
I
in.
did not.
Leslie, put your feet in.
Man, please,
Put
sir,
your feet
man.
in.
Can I talk to my girl first,
Let me
bro?
figure out what's going on. Put your feet in and I'll turn the air up. Okay?
Oh my God, man. Please, sir, man.
Put
Like,
your feet
oh
in.
my God, bro.
Not gonna tell you
Why y'all
again.
taking me to jail, bro?
Because
Please.
he told you, put your feet in.
Man, hey,
Leslie,
Listen,
bro,
you put your feet in right now. I'm telling you this.
bro,
This is your
don't
last.
chase me, bro. Can
Listen.
I talk to my girl?
Put your feet in.
Oh
I'm
my
not gonna do this
God,
shit with
man.
you. All the way.
I did
Put your
not
feet in.
do
All the way,
nothing,
man.
sir.
Put your feet in.
Man, please, man.
Due to the amount of drugs ingested, the police officers called an ambulance to look over the suspect as the investigation continued.
you gotta go by ambulance.
All right, can I talk to you, sir?
Yeah, what?
Can I call
I'm listening.
Can
Huh?
I call my girl?
Call your girl for what? Hop on.
Huh?
Was that who you were on the phone with?
Huh? Yes, sir.
All right, well, she knows.
No, bro. That's
She was on the phone the whole time.
Bro, that is not my girl, bro. The owner of the car.
Oh, okay. All right. I mean, well, we're gonna take the car.
Bro,
We're gonna seize the car for forfeiture.
so.
Have a seat.
Can I talk to you, sir, please?
Yeah.
Put your feet up.
Put your feet up.
Come on, man.
I'll meet you there at the hospital. You can talk to me there if you want, or at the
Come
jail.
on, man.
Well, you gotta go, man. There's no,
So what, bro? It ain't no drugs in my car, sir.
because it's in your mouth, right? Okay.
Bro, I'm just saying.
We
it ain't
showed you
no
all the
drugs.
tests, bro.
Bro, so
It's
come
your spit.
on,
We
man.
tested your mouth. It's in
So,
your mouth.
but-
We tested
come
drugs
on,
in the
man.
car. It's in the car.
Bro, there's no drugs in the
Okay.
car.
All right. It's all on camera and it's all on test.
Bro, it's no drugs in the car.
Yeah, the little flakes that you missed when you were trying to eat it all.
Bro, no, I didn't, bro.
Like this little flake right here in your, in
Bro,
your beard.
come on, man.
All right.
So, bro,
Realizing he had ingested a large amount of narcotics, deputies quickly called for EMS assistance. The suspect was rushed to Advent Health Palm Coast, where he was treated and medically cleared. Once released from the hospital, He was booked into the Flagler County Jail on multiple charges, including possession of cocaine, tampering with evidence, and resisting arrest without violence. What began as a minor traffic stop nearly turned deadly, a stark reminder of how quickly drug-related incidents can escalate. This footage is another example of the unpredictable situations law enforcement faces daily.